Hello YouTube, I hope you guys are having a great day. This was not a great day for me when my indoor trainer sounds like a fire truck. It is winter time in Calgary and I do a lot of Zwift, so I need my indoor trainer. I logged a support case with Wahoo. Stick around, see what transpired. Okay, so this is the Wahoo KICKR Core that is making all the weird noises, and we are going to send this back to Wahoo. With that said, we need to first of all remove the Zwift cop so that we can package it back. That's it. Guess what I got? A Wahoo KICKR Core Gen 2. Last week I sent out the faulty unit back to Wahoo, and it took about a week, and after they receive it, they overnight this brand new one to me. It is a brand new, not refurbished KICKR Core2. You know, considering that I've owned that KICKR for over 5 years, it really owes me nothing, and Wahoo was able to send a replacement to me free of charge. That is some really exceptional customer service, and I really appreciate that. So huge kudos to Wahoo for that customer service to me. Yeah, I just want to document my experience with Wahoo, and it's been a really good one, so appreciate that. Big shout out to them. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.
Happy? You happy in your box?